students, class 10, example sum 5.27. A mobile phone is put to use. A mobile phone is put to use when the battery power is 100%. The percentage of battery power y in decimal remaining after using the mobile phone for x hours in assuming that y is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1. This is the given equation. Now we want to find draw the graph of the equation. First Roman number. Second, find the number of hours elapsed if the battery power is 40%. Find the number of hours. Here x is the hours and y is the percentage of battery, right? How much time does it take so that the battery has no power? If the total battery is empty, how much time it have to take? We want to find the x value. So this is the given equation. We want to form draw the graph of the equation, right? Graph. To draw the graph, I take this equation y is equal to 0.25 minus 0.25x plus 1. Now we want to find the points of the coordinate points. Then only we can draw the graph, right? Put x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, the whole term becomes 0, then y is equal to 1. Then the coordinate points are 0, 1. Right? And then put y is equal to 0 in, I take equation number 1. Put y is equal to 0 in equation number 1 means 0 is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1. Now I take this term to another side, right? If I take this 1 to another side, what you get? Or otherwise you take this term to this side, what you get? 0.25x minus will be changed into plus equal to 1. Now we want to find the x value. X equal to 1 divided by 0.25. 1 is divided by 25, that is 1.00. So it will be divided by 0.25 means we get 4. So 100 is to divide by 25, right? 2 decimal places. You change the decimal places. 100 divided by 25 is equal to 4. Then the plotting points are 4, 1, 4, 0. Y is 0, right? Now we have find out 2 plotting points. Now we want to draw these 2 points in the graph. Let's take it as this is x-axis, y-axis. This is the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. This is the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the origin. Now see that the 2 points are 0, 1, 4, 0, 1 and 4, 0. See, x-axis 0, y-axis 1 means this is the point. It will be meted. This is 0, 1. And then x-axis is 4, y-axis 0 means the point lies here. So this is the equation of the line y is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1. This is the equation of this line. Either we can simply draw this approximately. This is x dash, this is y dash. This is the graph. Next we see the second Roman number. Find the number of hours elapsed if the battery power is 40%. That is y is equal to 40%. Elapsed, the battery percentage is y, that is 40%. Percentage means we know that is 40 divided by 100. If I divide this, we get y is equal to 0.40. Now substitute this y is equal to 0.40 in equation number 1. In equation 1 to find the battery x hours, right? Then y is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1 is the equation. In the place of y I applied 0.40 is nothing but 0.4. Then this term is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1. I take this 1 to another side, or otherwise I take this term to this side and then 40 minus 0.40 take it to another side. We get, I take this term is we get positive value. Here already we have 1 minus 0.40. 1 minus 0.40 is nothing but 0.60. So 1 minus 0.40 is nothing but 0.60. Let we take it as x value 0.60 divided by 0.25. See, here we have multiple by 2 decimal places, means we get 60 divided by 25. 2 decimal places after, right? If it will be divided by 5 means 5 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 12 divided by 5. Then x is equal to 12 divided by 5. 12 is divided by 5 means 5 twos are 10, remainder 2 decimal places 20. 5 fours are 20. So x is equal to 2.4 hours. 2 hours and then 40 minutes. When the battery has 40% means it will be, we can use in 2 hours and 40 minutes. Next, see the third Roman number. How much time does it take so that the battery has no power? Battery has no power means the battery is Y, so Y is equal to 0. The battery power is 0. Here Y is mentioned as battery and X is mentioned as hours, right? So then Y is equal to 0 in 1. What you get? Y is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1 is the first equation. Here we put Y is equal to 0 means minus 0.25x plus 1. I take this term to this side, 0.25x is equal to 1, right? Minus value turn to plus value, then x is equal to 1 divided by 0.25, 2 decimal places, 100 divided by 25 is equal to 4, right? If you want this 100, 2 decimal places means you have to multiply and divide by 100, right? And then 25 ones are 100 fours are. So x is equal to 4 hours. If you want to empty the battery, that is 0% means you must use it at most 4 hours to empty the battery, right? After 4 hours the battery will be has no power. The battery has, or the mobile phone will have no power. After 4 hours only it will empty. Thank you, students.